5 minute uh tire change. 5 minutes, quick and simple, easy to do. Anybody can do it at home. Anyway, just need a couple ingredients. Need a couple key ingredients. See what I'm saying? A tire for one, a spare or a tire, whatever the case may be. One of these doohickeys, and one of these doohickeys, and one of these doohickeys. All right, first, we go ahead and get it out the way. First, you see them notches? Put them notches right up, right up, right up, right up, right up. You see them notches right there? Put them notches right up, right up, right up. You see them? You see them? You see them? You see them notches? Equal them notches out right there. And on the top of that, Mutapani. That Mutapani, we don't know too many words, brother. But we're gonna make it work, brother. Do it with your hand. If you're strong like me, you could do it with your hand. If you're strong like me, you could do it with your hand, you dig? You want to loosen these joints a little bit before you even do it. You gotta loosen them. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Sometimes you gotta put a little force in it. Y'all keeping up? Y'all keeping up? What I got? This. Definitely need some WD-40. Shoot. Get them doohickeys, get them doohickeys. I don't even know what that's for. Start lifting up the car. Make sure they notched up. Make sure they're in the right notches. I was thinking a 5-minute tutorial, but we need some WD-40. So it might be a little 10-minute tutorial or something. Might have to tap back in with your good boy. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you still here, like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything is content, bro. Everything is content, bro. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Supposed to have a job interview this morning, but that didn't come to fruition since woke up with a flat. So this is what we're doing, and this is where we're at. Tap in, tap in, tap in. ground. Gotta make sure it's off the ground, yeah. Little work, especially since we in Texas weather. A little hot, a little hot. It's hot time. Make sure it's off the ground. We want enough room when we put on the spare or whatever tire you're using. Get in there, yeah, yeah, get in there, yeah, yeah, get in there, yeah, yeah. See them notches this on? You see them notches right there on that line? Yes, sir, that's how you do that down. Yes, sir, that's how you do that down. All right, finish taking out the whoop-de-whoop. Finish taking out the whoop-de-whoop. That's why you make them loose before you do it, you see? That's why you make them loose before you do it. I used to change tires when I was about, 14? 14, I worked for a car wash. We changed tires, we did it all there. I did it all. I wasn't even supposed to be working. I said I was 18, I was 14 working. Shout out to that, shout out to that. Looks like I forgot one, but good thing I'm strong. Mind over matter, mind over matter. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you still here. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I didn't make this one loose either. That's tragic. Oh, shit. That's fucked. That's tragic. There we go, there we go. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Oh, shoot. Take that jump up off there. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. This is the easy part here. It's all down here from now. It's all down here from here. Yes, Lord. Come on, brother. See, I gotta pump it up so much. I didn't even do it like that. Y'all get out of there. Y'all get out of there. My bad. Chat. Y'all get out of there. Y'all doing too much for real. Making me feel weird. Come on, Chad. We ain't doing that either. I'm tired. I'm working my tail off. Ain't got no super chat yet. I know y'all wouldn't give me a tip if I was fixing y'all car. You still here? Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. It's a little bit of work. Definitely a workout. Definitely a workout. If you know what I mean. See if we got enough room between the Mustafani. See if we got enough more room between the Mustafani. Yes, sir. Mama, there go that man. Make sure to put them on there, on there, bubble. Make sure to put them up on. Make sure everything equal out, bubble. 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 Like so. Like so. Then you begin to screw back in the process. The screw back in process. The screw back in process. The screw back in process. You gotta tighten them all little by little, one by one. Cause you don't want your car, your wheel to be, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? I should have put it in neutral, but my car's not even on, so. I ain't like, want to get the keys, but tighten them all up. Uno, ba uno. Uno, ba uno. Don't tighten them up too tight, because you don't want the people at the shop, because you got to get a, 9 times out of 10, I got a nail in my tire. I'm going to show you. 9 times out of 10, I got a nail in my tire. So, don't go all out and get a new used tire or a new tire. A new tire, probably 100 plus. A used tire, 50 plus. Don't go out and get a new tire, used tire. 9 times out of 10, I only got a nail in there. So I always tell them to check for nails and see if you can get a plug, because a plug is $3 to $5, you know. Cheaper. I always try to go with the plug. If you're a female, they will try to get you. They will try to get you and be like, oh, you need a whole new tire. The whole time they go keep your tire with the nail in it, and you resell it for $75. You know. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Real cute. That's real cute. It's real cute right there. That's real cute right there, boy. That's how you change. And that's how you change a flat, my boy. All right, let me show you the plug. How did it go flat, bro? I don't even see a hole in it, brother. Now I feel like somebody sabotaged me. Brother. There's no way this tire should be flat. It don't even have a hole in it. Well, that was it. Time to let it down, and you ready to drive. You ready to go. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want next, man. I do it all, bro. You literally can't miss me, bro. Jack of all trades, bro. I do it all, bro. Never scared to get my hands dirty, you know what I mean? For real. That's what real men do. That's what real men do, though. A lot of y'all probably wouldn't know about being a real man, you know? But I don't know, you might. But Mike is on the chicken's butt. So, yeah. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. You never know what you'll see next, man. Y'all let me know what you want to see next in the comments here, the comments there, man. I got plenty of videos, wave tutorials, news, any news of the day. Got news from the Diddy trial, that Mexican on two sides, 1 6 or 7. You know, I can go on for days, you know. I can talk about anything. Like, comment, share.